separate them. You separate them. So it's like this, and then if you manage to split them with your hip, it's over. You know? And then you can do the technique and you pass. The way you do that. So after you punch right here, come to me. Here. If you pull this and push this way, and then it's called push forward. So for you get the choose me or choose him. Okay. If you choose me, 2 hands on me. If you choose him, then David chooses me. Okay. Come here, everybody, come here. Get on the yellow line, the first yellow line, first Billy's group, second Kevin's group. We'll run a little bit, okay?
Yeah. Can I join, coach?
No, you're now cold. Yes, just that group, secondary group. So, first group, you run until all the way until the last yellow line, touch it with your foot, and run through this line. But we always start from there. Here is the finish. Second group, the same. And you are having how many seconds?
7.
7. I was thinking the same. 7. Ajde. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 is too much. We are shooting for 8. Second group.
Yeah, it's a 4. Ah, no, the first line, the last one.
The last line.
And then we come to this second one.
Okay. This group will run for 8. First group run for 9.
This yellow line.
No, the last one. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First group again. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Fuck, I gotta get my trick stand. God damn it.
Ready? Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many times?
I did 2. 3.
Now it's 3.
Yeah.
We will go for 8. Okay? 8 all together. Get set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chill, chill, chill. Chill, chill, chill. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yuli, join. Oh, it's okay. I'm too fat. Yeah, good.